what I do. Basically, I go around inspecting properties and making sure that your property meets standards and compliance with our district. And the way we do that is we have 3 zones, basically 0 to 5 from the walls of your structure, which is the non-combustible zone. We don't want any material in that area. And then from there we evaluate 5 to 30 feet out, which is the lean green zone, which is basically, you know, separation of brush and picking up pine needles and things of that nature. And then if you have 100 feet section from your structure, we'll evaluate that as well.
When I speak about hardening the home, I'm talking about having that 0 to 10 feet of defensible space right next to the home. The other thing is you don't have trees, you don't have any limbs that are within 10 feet of the home. So this home is a good example of having that bubble around the home. They've got their trees limbed up around the home. They have removed all the pine needles from the valleys of the roof. Their gutters are cleaned, and they don't have shrubs or firewood or any other flammable materials right next to the house or on the porch or under the porch.